So there we go, and the lights just came on. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm excited to announce that Ring and Lutron are joining forces to make their products integrate together to allow us to have more customization and control, which is incredible. So to my right, we have the Lutron Caseta wireless dimmer kit with Smart Bridge, and to my left, I have the Ring Video Doorbell 3. Both of these items will be linked below if you're interested, so go ahead and check them out there. Now let's go ahead, let's jump right into the video and see how these products integrate together. So to integrate the Ring doorbell with your Lutron products, go ahead, open up the Lutron app on your iOS or Android device, sign into your account, then go ahead, select the top left-hand corner, choose add a device. Now, once our device lists load, we're going to choose the Ring option. So you can scroll down, works with Ring, select that. Now we need to link our Ring account, so go ahead, select that. Authorize. Now we need to log in with our Ring credentials. Now you can see we can choose to authorize it or deny. Go ahead, select authorize. And there we go. We have just successfully linked our account. Now you can see our Ring devices right here. We got our front door, our Ring Video Doorbell 3. Now let's go ahead, let's set that up by selecting not set up. Now you can see our options right here. When the doorbell rings, the lights turn on, and we can select which lights we want when that happens. And same when motion is detected. So this is really cool. So first up, lights to turn on when the doorbell rings. Let's have both turn on. And then only at night you can turn that feature on too, which is great. And then for when motion is detected, same option. In this case, we're just going to do our front porch light. And you can choose only at night, and then back. And there we go. We have just set up our doorbell, and now you can see everything is linked, and it's ready to work with Ring. First up, let's go ahead, let's ring our doorbell and watch the lights turn on. So there we go, and the lights just came on. Everything works great. Now I'm going to be walking outside to activate the motion detection so you guys can see the overhead exterior light turn on. So there we go, you can see the light is on. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.